Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Dare Arqam School online classes. I hope you're all ready to explore something new and exciting today. Aaj ka hamara topic hai measurement, yani ki size ya wazan ke mutabik compare karna. We will work on pages 91 and 92 and solve these questions together. Before we start, let's think about something. Aap sabko to different animals or objects ke sizes or weights ka andaza hota hai, right? For example, if I ask who is bigger, a dog or an elephant, to whom sab jante hain ke elephant bada hota hai, ya agar main kahun, who is taller, a giraffe or a cat? Of course, giraffe taller hota hai. Aaj hum isi tarah ki cheezon ko compare karna seekhenge. All right, let's start with page 91. Yahan pe hame kuch human picture dikhaye gaye hain. Jisme, Dina, Danish. In KO in case ke mutabik or dermine aranga karna hai. Yani Kadina sabse choti hai. Danish is tall, jo Kadina se bara hai. Is taller yani Danish se bara Ahmed hai. But Maha is tallest, Maha sub si bari hai. Same as tra. Question 1 hai, right? Short, shorter, and shortest. Giraffe is tall, zebra is short, and lion is shorter. Cat is shortest. Same, this tree is tall, this tree is short, this tree is shorter. This tree is shortest. Ab chalti hain page 19. Jahan hum wazan ko compare karenge. Idhar kuch animals hain, or humain in ko wazan ke hisab sai order likhna hai. Dog is light, yani halki wazan wala hai. Goat is heavier than the dog, yani thodi heavy hai. Cow is even heavier, or cow ka wazan goat se bhi ziyada hai. Elephant is the heaviest, yani sabse ziyada wazan elephant ka hai. To humare answer main order hoga. Lightest, dog. Heavier, goat. Heavy, cow, or heaviest, elephant. Next activity, in humain kuch fruits or vegetables diye gaye hain. Yahan humain unka wazan check karna hai, or decide karna hai ke kaun sa heavy hai or kaun sa light hai. Let's look carefully at each one to find the answer. So, today we learned how to arrange objects and animals by comparing their length and weight. Aap bigar par cheezon ko compare karke ye practice kar sakte hain. Thank you for joining Dada Arqam School online class. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.